Hi there! So here's the Mi Bluetooth selfie stick. Well, what's new in a selfie stick? We've all been using it for such a long time. Well, this one becomes a tripod. So when you're out at a vacation, those group pictures and family pictures where you can make your selfie stick into a tripod, and with a Bluetooth clicker in hand, you can choose to click pictures as and how you want to. Sounds interesting, right? Well, in this video, we're going to unbox it, see its build quality, see how it works, and I'll let you know whether you should buy this or not. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let's jump into the unboxing. Here is the Bluetooth selfie stick with tripod. There is a picture in the front along with the Mi branding and the button. Everything on the box is in Chinese apart from the Mi branding on the top. Let's open the box. So here is the selfie stick, a quick start guide in Chinese, and a Bluetooth clicker. Let's have a look. So the build quality of the stick is excellent. Matte plastic finish, rubber grip at the bottom for the tripod. This part is made of soft rubber which will hold the camera clicker. The holder is made of good quality plastic and has a spring mechanism to hold the phone securely. The phone can be mounted horizontally or vertically to take portrait and landscape shots. The selfie stick can be extended, which is good enough to cover more people while taking selfies. And here's the best part. The bottom opens to become a tripod. You can actually even extend it. So if you keep it on a table or a floor, you can increase the height to get that perfect shot. And this is how easily you can fold it, making it extremely portable. Let's have a look at the camera clicker. You can see the Mi branding and camera clicker. This has Bluetooth support, so it will pair with your phone. The top has a micro USB port to charge the clicker. Unfortunately, no charging cable provided in the box, so you will have to use your own. Let's fix it on the selfie stick. When you take a selfie, the clicker will stay here for convenience, and when you want to use it like a tripod, you simply remove the clicker and remotely take your pictures. Pairing the Bluetooth clicker is a simple process. Press and hold the camera button until it starts blinking. Once it enters pairing mode, go to the Bluetooth setting on your phone. You will see the Bluetooth keyboard icon with XMZPG. Click on it. Once connected, you can turn on the camera on your mobile phone and take pictures with the help of this clicker. For those who are thinking it's too short for a tripod on the floor, well, here are how the pics will look. Frankly, this totally works for me. Absolutely fantastic and convenient. Getting those perfect portrait pictures and videos for Instagram are a walk in the park. So coming to the conclusion, we'll start with the build. Very impressive. Well made, light and portable. Super easy to carry if you're traveling with it. Then coming to mounting the phone on it, well, you can mount a phone horizontally and vertically, which means now you can take portrait pictures and landscape pictures with it. The other good thing is that it comes with a separated clicker, which means the Bluetooth clicker can be removed from the selfie stick. So if you make that selfie stick into a tripod, you can keep it at a distance and you can choose to click pictures whenever you want to and however you want to. It just works. So if you're planning to go on a vacation, I'll say the Mi Bluetooth selfie stick with a tripod is a must. Now I bought this for 1100 rupees. I'll leave the links in the description along with the promo code, which probably might bring the cost even further down. So do check it out if you're planning to buy one. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, do put them down in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.